again.
Yay.
Blend in so no one sees me. Wait, oh, there's a blind bag, right.
Yeah.
Where did I put the scissors? Oh shit, we lost the scissors.
It don't matter.
Help me. You do matter. Shitty bastard. Come here, come on.
Excuse me? I can walk right out that door.
Yeah, walk your happy asshole. Yeah, okay, I got it. There was a fucking tear. We're sitting here struggling to open the goddamn. Ew. It's sparkly. We gotta show the camera. You gotta.
Is this a kitty?
Yes, it's a kitty.
It's
So this is what he looks like. So I guess the stickers are like clues of what. You good over there?
You good over there?
I'm good over here. You just can't open. Shit. Okay. So, ooh, there's 2 blind bags in this one. My curiosity is piqued.
Alright, do you ever not sound smart?
Do you ever not sound smart? No, I guess I don't ever not sound smart. Are we gonna mix all the Play-Dohs together?
Well, maybe not mix, but like gently lay them on top of each other.
That's great. This is a sled, I think. No, it's not. It's a tape thing. So this is a little tape thing.
And this is a little keyboard.
Ooh, so he's a smart one. Oh no, he's a gamer.
Oh yeah.
He's a gamer.
Very intense gamer.
A very intense gamer. Wait a minute, and who's this?
Some gay guy.
Some gay guy. He is a very stupid person. Very stupid cat. Okay.
And the kitty.
Where the fuck is the tear now? Here it is.
The kitty.
Tear. So here's the kitty with the cardboard.
Cardboard kitty.